In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix errors on Crunchyroll. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Crunchyroll app. If you are facing errors while using the Crunchyroll app, there are multiple ways to fix them. First is, you need to go to your Play Store, search for Crunchyroll, go to the app space. When you open the app space, instead of this open button, you might see the update option sometime. It means that the app needs an update, so you can simply update the app. Now we can go back and relaunch the app to see if the errors are fixed. If you are still having problems, you can tap and hold on this app icon. Go to this information button. Now scroll down to the bottom. Select this storage option. First of all, you can try to just clear the cache memory. At the bottom right, you can see clear cache option. Tap on it. Now you can go and recheck if the errors are fixed. If it still doesn't work, you can try to clear your data. So here you can see the clear data option. Tap on it and select this delete option. Now your overall personal data are deleted from the Crunchyroll app. So if you relaunch the app, you will have to re-log in again. So you will need to sign into your account again. So that's how you can try different methods in order to fix errors on Crunchyroll app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.